It is strictly, and I wish to emphasize, it is strictly a civil recovery proceeding and not criminal. In other words, it is a proceeding in which no one would be arrested, no one would be charged, no one would be prosecuted, nor is there any question under this act that anyone could be given a custodial sentence. So,
Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Basil Williams, addressing reporters on Wednesday. The Attorney General emphasized that citizens will be protected since Sara will need to consult with a High Court judge before proceeding with a case.
This process requires the intervention of the High Court, of the Supreme Court of this country, before it could give effect to the results of its investigations into whether any property is state property unlawfully acquired, or its desire to institute proceedings for civil recovery orders against property or even restraint orders.
No criminal action by Sara is authorized by the legislation, as the bill will empower Sara to recover property only. Another important component of the bill is that a high court will solely be responsible for giving the go-ahead to begin recovery of state property unlawfully obtained.
So the court is the final determinant of whether an investigation or any orders made pursuant to that investigation or any any proceedings instituted to recover property, state property. That decision resides in the High Court of this country. And further, appeals are allowed from decisions of the court like in any other areas of the law. So there are many safeguards.
The legislation also provides for a High Court to reject a request by Sara to proceed against a suspect. In addition, the value of the asset must not be less than $10 million, in keeping with international standards and best practices. For HGP Nightly News, Embrack.